Hi everyone, welcome to my first official cooking tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make these quick and easy vegetable bites, which are great appetizers for when you have guests over or just as a small tasty snack at home using very simple vegetables from your fridge. So here's our vegetable which we're now gonna prep. I like to wash mine and then chop it, but if you prefer to do yours the other way around, feel free to chop and then wash. When cutting the vegetable, make sure the vegetable are cut in small pieces. This will ensure that the vegetable mixing well with the paste. So we're now gonna blend our potato so we can get the paste that will mix with all the vegetable to give us that consistency. So we're gonna blend the potato in 2 bits. So the first bit goes in, drop a tablespoon of water just to get the moist so that it blends easily. Then once that's done, add the rest of the contents and then drop a little bit of water should you need to, and then blend until you get a smooth paste. When you finish blending the potato, you should end up with a paste which looks like this. I'm now going to prepare my vegetable stock, so I'm going to drop in 1 vegetable cube, add boiling water from the kettle, mix it slowly until I end up with a vegetable liquid stock. Okay, this is the bit where all our mixture will mix together to give us a vegetable bite mixture. So we're gonna add all our vegetables and seasoning into the potato paste that we made. So our mixture is now mixed and ready, so we're going to wrap it and set it aside for 10 minutes. I'm now going to prepare the flour by sieving it and getting it ready. So I'm using 100 grams of all-purpose flour. Before using the content, you will notice there's a little liquid on top, so we just need to mix that well just to make sure all the flavors and seasonings are mixed quite well. So we're now shaping our vegetable bites. I'm going to shape them into forms of small balls, and you are free to do whatever shape you want to do, but the balls are quite easy to do. And then we're going to roll it in our flour. Repeat the process until you finish all your mixture or until you've got as many as you want. If the vegetable bites seem quite soggy, repeat the process, covering it very well with flour to ensure you get that crispiness when you fry the bite. We're now gonna fry a vegetable. You can deep fry it or you can shallow fry it as I am. Shallow frying is best as it gives you the opportunity to turn it occasionally. Use medium fire so that the vegetable cooks very well. vegetable bite needs to cook for 5 to 10 minutes to make sure the vegetables cook really well in the middle. It's nice and soft while the outer is crispy. Once golden and brown, we are now going to remove our bites. We're going to put our bite on a plate with tissue just to drain the oil out of our bite and stand for 2 minutes to cool down a little bit, and our bites are ready to serve. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vegetable bites. Feel free to serve them with your favorite sauce. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and please vote on the poll above for the appetizer you would like to see next. Don't forget to like and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!